Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight, the expedition is in Ireland. Tonight's menu, lemon baked cod and colcannon. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Getting the bacon in the pan. Bacon looking good. And the finished bacon. The cabbage is going for a hot bath. And the cabbage is done with its hot bath. The dressing station for the cod. And here's the cod all dressed up. The spuds are going for a hot bath. Here's the cream and other goodies getting warm. The spuds are ready. And here's the lineup for the colcannon. In the middle of mixing the colcannon. And the finished colcannon. The cod right out of the hot box. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.